Hi classmates, hi Sir Ed, good evening. Sorry I cannot go today, but I will discuss about the doctors and how will they benefit from our product, RXpress. Okay, so RXpress actually is an app that will cater to patients, doctors, and pharmaceuticals as mentioned previously. So here, first we will start in Pasig area. List of hospitals in the Pasig area are there in the front of your screen. And we found out that there are 21 hospitals, included namin si SM Mega Clinic and si Healthways Rangela Plaza. Since nasa pagitan sila ng Pasig at Mandaluyong. Yun nga lang, nung sinerch namin sa internet, we checked their website one by one and we found out that some of the websites don't have the directory of each doctor. Actually, I didn't get to see a general list or general directory of the doctors in Pasig statistics. So I have to one by one of this. I have to visit everything on their website, check on the schedule. So what I found is that 312 of the doctors nakalist kay Medical City. So siya yung pinakamarami. When you go to the website of Medical City, meron silang directory ng doctors already available, schedule, the specialization. Same with SM Mega Clinic, Healthway, and Pasig Doctors Medical Center. The rest of the hospital, sorry. So there. Ano naman yung makikita natin sa app? So, thanks kay Ju, nagawa niya to. So, eto, syempre, meron tayo ng doctor's profile. Kailangan mag-register ni doctor, complete address, birthday, specialization, how many years in service. Kasi ano niya to perks niya dito, di ba? Para tumaas yung kanya credibility. Also there. Doctor's profiles, and of course, when you further go deep into the app, you will find the features. Isa-isahin natin sila. Eto, meron kang patient details. This is actually the database what you're offering. Free database, limited storage of all your patients regardless of the location. So, what will happen if your patients want to visit you sa different clinic, hindi mo na kailangan dalhin yung physical copy ng records na. But instead, you can just open your app and see the details. Ayun naman, si planner, meron ka na ngayon, it works like a planner and then i-alert ka na niya kung anong upcoming schedule mo. Patients mo for today, saan, and wala ka ng upcoming, you can go home if you want. So there, RX Live naman, an online prescription tool that will allow you to create prescription and upload kung gusto mo naman ng manual pa din. So for data storage and also para hindi na din mawala hindi mawala ni patient record niya. Also, if you want to know the history kung ano yung mga na-issue mo na sa kanyang doctor, nandun na siya. Nasa activity log mo na siya. Payment system, we also offer online payment system, GCash, cashless transactions para marami kang ways, diba? Kasi minsan budget ni patient. Here, we also offer report generation. Basic lang. Kasi later on the next slide, we will be talking about the premium naman. The report generation, meron siyang, it allows you to create a report based on activity logs na na-record mula sa system. So, for example, you want to check out how many patients you have with this clinic versus to the other clinic or anong time of the day marami kang patient. You generate for better maximize your time or efficiently manage it. Ito naman, si RXpress Premium and Premium Plus. Premium Plus yan, natakpan lang ng aking. So, remove. Report generation premium. kanina nabanggit natin na limited ka lang sa system mo. Ngayon, report generation premium, in-extend natin yung report from the activity logs, data records ng lahat ng gumagamit ng app. So, for example, you want to the patient's age bracket, for example, sa passing area. You can get that. So, statistical data lang tayo kasi meron din tayong law na kailangan sundin about privacy and health ng mga patient. So, there, another feature would be the refer a doctor. If you want to be that doctor na pwedeng i-recommend ng co-doctors mo, you have to pay for that premium. What will happen if you pay that premium? Siyempre, magiging kasama ka sa priority or i-endorse ka mismo whenever the patient looks for the specialized doctor. Another feature would be the RIA digital assistant. So, si RIA digital assistant would be personal assistant. Siyempre, every clinic may assistant ka naman. So, si RIA, it works like that. So, you patient and then gagawa niya summary. Also, i-check na din kung yung tied up sa kanya. Siyempre, it reminds you of your patient's schedule also, and it answers the most frequently asked questions ng patients. Another one, ito si Dr. Life for next stage pa to. Next upgrade natin. But will require also a higher premium. So that's why it's called premium. Si Dr. Live, ang goal to is actually to have an online consultation facility. So, kanina meron na tayong online prescription tool, na tayong online payment, and then now, you can actually do online consultation and collect fees also, diba? So, nakasave time and yung facility. Also, mas marami ka rin natulungan patient. How much Dr. Live? Dr. Live will be offered at 999 pesos per month versus RX Premium at 500 pesos per month. Let's see about the financials. So, case 1, for example, 50% nag-subscribe sa premium. Kanina 651 yung nakita natin doctor, 661 times 50% would be 225 doctors. Conservative lang, so kaya 50%. 50%, that would be 160,500 per month. Eh kung naging loyal siya, 1 year, in 1 year, that would be 1.95 million per month. Hindi na rin masama, diba? Kasi hindi naman ito yung mainstream of income. Additional income lang din. And of course, nakatulong din naman tayo sa doctors. Another would, what if naman, pag available na si Dr. Live nag-upgrade pa lalo yung market natin from 50% tumami to 70%. 651 times 70%, that would be 455 doctors. 455 doctors times 990, that would be 454,000 per month. Diba? So, pag naging loyal yan sa atin, that would be 454 times 12 equals 5.45 million per year. So, that's all about the doctors. I hope you like it. Talk to you guys.